All right, guys, I am setting up a station here, and I only have two hands, so what I just used was one of these ham radio-esque slingshots. It took me about three shots, and I got it. And it looks like, I don't think you can see it, but it looks like I got it probably 50 foot. So to keep things simple, these OCFs actually I find work best inverted V style, but they will work flat top or whatever. This lot's a little funky here. Let me go wide here. Lots of trees, goes down a steep hill. Okay, got all the way down the hill, which doesn't help me much, but all kinds of trees. You got the house, you got big trees in front of the house, but the ham shack's gonna be on the side downstairs, and I'll show you that. So what I'm gonna do now is put the center support and hoist that with this line. It's got 260 pound pull strength, so it should be pretty good, I hope. And we'll go from there. I'll let you know how that goes. I'm running a 7610, brand new, and this is LMR, what is that, 240 or RG8X, and the radio waves. OCF, which I would normally build myself, but since I'm back east, it was just easier to make the purchase, and the price was right on it off of eBay through Gigaparts. So I'll let you know how this goes, and let me see if I can hoist her up. So I want to add first that you want to pull your antenna out, and you got one long end, 90 something feet, and whatever that's 40 something foot. So my long end is going to go somewhere that away, and my short end is going to go kind of up and over, just a little bit clipping in the corner of the house and over the other way. I don't know if I'm going to initially be a perfect inverted V, and one side might be a flat top, the other side might be V. We'll see what happens, but I'm trying to keep it simple, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, well, it was quite the cluster, you know what, because I usually buy flex weave, and that was not flex weave on the antenna. So a one-man job turned into a three-man job because it just spun, and trying to avoid branches and everything else, and I had just a twisty mess. So had two people, and one on each end, hold the ends as I hoisted it up hours later, and got it up there pretty darn high. I'm standing on the roof right now, but oh, I guess where the sun's at, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, probably not, but that's what I got. Let me go back here. Got a nice eyelet there. It kind of comes down inverted V on the one side, and the other side is flat top, as high if not higher, all the way down out that way with the long end, 93 feet or whatever the antenna said. So it does work pretty good. Tunes up on all bands except 30 meters, and barely need the tuner on most of the portions. So and that's just the built-in tuner on the 7610. I'll run in the house and show you what else I did here. Okay, guys, so I got my coax coming down here, and put an eyelet in for the tie-off for the center insulator. Ballon 4-to-1. Just kept things very simple. Okay, kept it very simple, and I think that's key. You don't really need to be a NASA engineer to install a station. That's simple 100-watt station here, and You can see I ran it down here, and then it's going to come in through where a bunch of stuff comes in the house. Right in there. I didn't even have to do any drilling or anything. And here you go. We got the 7610. Still got the sticky on the front. This doohickey there, that's all new for the Astron with the power poles, which never even use, but whatever. And we'll get it remoted, and that'll be the setup for now. So quick, I don't think dirty, decent setup, and tested it on most of the bands and seems to be working pretty good. So it'll be a nice little station to run when I'm here and run remotely. So I'll get the server side of this thing set up and run it that way so I don't have to have a computer hooked up to it. Just have it right to... Oh, and I should mention this. I'm not going to get all involved in this. This is my little router. It's running as a client, so I can plug it right into the back. And then that'll pick up the Wi-Fi in the house, which is fantastic here, the internet. So shouldn't be a problem. Just get everything configured. That's it, guys. Quick 2 minutes on a quick install that you really didn't see of a day. So, and I don't think you want to see it. But that's it. Catch you on the air. Okay, guys. Little update here. This is the second 7610 that I just purchased. The first one blew up last night. Had smoke coming out of it, sparks, everything. Lost 40 and 80 meters. Don't know what the problem was, but lost a little sleep on that one. It's an expensive rig. And but the guys at HRO Kaz, the manager at HRO Atlanta, took care of it for me, said bring it in, exchanged it, and we got the other one here. Seems to be checking out fine, so hopefully this baby will hold up. I think it will. It was just maybe some kind of manufacturing defect, but it was pretty bad. Stinking still of electrical burning here in the basement shack. So thumbs up to HRO Atlanta. They really take care of you, and you guys go spend some money over there. I know they got me as a lifelong customer, that's for sure. So catch you next time. Catch you on the air.